In this video, I'm gonna show you how to fix Rainbow Six Siege X voice chat not working problem. We'll first make sure our microphone is working correctly in Windows and Steam. Then we'll adjust some in-game settings. 1. Verify Windows audio settings. Open the search bar and type settings. Then click the first result. In the left menu, click System. Then select Sound. Under Input, make sure your microphone or headset is selected. If it's muted, unmute it. If the volume is low, raise it. 2. Verify Steam voice settings. Open Steam. In the top left, click Steam, then choose Settings. In the left menu, click Voice. Under Voice Input Device, select your microphone or headset. Make sure input volume is not muted and is set high enough. 3. Adjust in-game audio settings. Launch Rainbow Six Siege. Click the settings icon in the top right. Select Options, then switch to the Audio tab. Change Dynamic Range to High. Pause this video now and follow along with any additional tweaks. We've reached the end of the video. I hope these solutions helped you fix Rainbow Six Siege X voice chat not working issue.